Hello guys, I am Imran Anas Mohammed from DC15 PIBT. Today I am here to present to explain the web portal of lecture web portal regarding the coursework requirements. EWSD is our main coursework for enterprise web development. So it asks some developers to develop a website as a profession. According to that, we have developed some website called lecture web portal. Here you can see this is the main portal of the lecture portal. Administrators can log in here to make changes. Here the two users are using this main portal, organizer as well as administrator. The administrator passwords and username are fixed, but he can make changes after log in. Okay, we'll see the username admin and the password 123123. Once I press, it's moved to the main portal of the admin. Here you can see the configuration, manage staff and manage room, manage accounts. As I press add professions, it moves to the views some professions as we added in the DB. Okay, here you can make changes if you wish, edit if you can, delete if you wish. Okay, let's see. I have pressed edit. It's asked to edit the details. Once I press computer officer and submit, the effects will be happen in the DB as you can see here. Oh sorry, it didn't. Let's see. Once I press submit, okay, now you can see the changes happen in the DB. As we can, if you wish, we can delete. Once I press delete, it asks, are you sure you want to delete? Once I press OK, you can see the computer officer will delete as the function I have used. Once I press add profession, it asks to add another profession. Here I would like to add another profession as computer assistant and submit. When I press submit, here you can see the professions button. After that, here you can see the computer assistant inserted into DB. Okay, let's move to the add departments. Once I press add department, it also shows some views as we inserted in the DB. Okay, here also we can make changes as we like. Okay, I like to make changes in research and development. Once I press research and development, only research I would like to insert into the DB. Once I press submit, here you can see the effects happens in the DB. Once I press delete, you can see won't delete because the foreign keys are processed in this table. So I press back button and make another departments here. Okay, I would like to add as research and technology. Okay, once I press submit, this department will insert into the database. Here you can see how it affects in the DB. Okay, let's move to the add room type tag. Here you can see the views, the room type views. Here also we have insert some important room types to the lecture portal. Here you can see those types. If you wish, we can make edits as I have mentioned in previous. Okay, I would like to change this as 2, and if I submit, here you can see the changes happen in the DB. As we can, if I wish to like press delete, it asks to, are you sure you want to delete the function. If I want, I can press OK to delete, but here you can see the type ID already used in a foreign key, so we can make delete for regarding the foreign key. If you wish to add another room, just press add room type here and press name as room number 12 and add submit. Once I submit, the details inserted into the database, as you can see here. Okay, let's move to the next step, manage staff. Here when I press manage staff, here you can see some list of staffs as we inserted before into the DB. Okay, here also we can make changes, as we can delete the staffs. Once I press this Mahesh, I just move to edit. Here you can see I can make changes. Okay, I would like to add a picture for him, so I just try to add this picture into his profile. Yeah, it's accepted, and once I press submit, the details will successfully inserted into the into view staff details. Once I press view staff, here you can see again, once I press, the details inserted successfully. As well as we can delete this staff, but if the details used in foreign keys, we can't delete the staff. No, here you can see the details successfully deleted because this function is not used in anywhere. Okay, I would like to add another staff. Add staff. Okay, first name Warner Mark. Birth of that year 69, 11 14, address number 3220, sorry, number 320, address line, town, the city USA, state is also USA. Here we can select organizer, presenter, computer assistant, but here I would like to add his as a organizer, Warner. He in charges for research and technology. His email is Warner @ymail.com. Contact number, we can leave this as well, but yeah, I would like to add some number, contact private number. If he has private, he can add numbers, special in or co-director of R&T, R&T, qualification MSc in IT, just insert in IT. Once I press choose file, I can select any of files. Okay, let's select one of okay, I just like to add sorry, okay, I would like to add this image as his profile pic. Once I submit, the details added into the DB, and here you can see Watermark Organizer Registration Technology, and you can make edit, delete as well if you wish. Okay, if you want to log in a separate organizer login panel, he need an username and the password. So it will be provided through this manage accounts functions. Before that, I would like to explain this manage room. Okay, here you can see the manage rooms, all the room types. If I want to edit this room type, I can just click the edit, and here you can make any changes as you wish. Okay, I'll just change the capacity of the edit room, and if you see, the capacity changed to 500. As well as I can delete, but sometimes if this room time used in anywhere, it won't delete. Okay, let's try. Once I press OK, yeah, it's no the details not used in anywhere, so it deleted. Okay, if I like to add another room, I can add rooms. Room name, okay, lab 001, sorry, 001, capacity 200, computer lab or chemical lab, whatever we can select. Here I like to select as room number 12, that I have created. Department of Research and Technology, that I have created. Note here whatever we can give, AC room with computer facilities. Okay, once I press add room, the details will in the view room category. Here you can see the lab 1001, room number 12, 200, research and technology. Basically room types we are using for computer lab or room number 12, like that, but here I have mentioned room number 2 to identify the room type that we have inserted. Okay, let's move to next level of manage accounts. Once I press manage accounts, here you can see the main functions of the organizer and the presenters. Yeah, here you can see the last I have added John Mack School of Computing, as well as I can add user account. Here I have created the Watermark as an organizer, so he needs a username and password. So I have create a username called W and the password 123123. Once I press submit, the details inserted into the DB. Here you can see Watermark Research and Technology. He as an organizer, he can get details from the organization panel. Okay, the another thing is when here we have to create another user type called presenter. We'll see how it's just name as Mary. 3000 89 11 date 20, female, address line number 54/3, address line Cambridge Street, Canada, state USA, Canada. The presenter School of Computing, Research and Technology. Email mary@ymail.com. Contact a number or home number. You can, if you wish, we can leave here. I like to leave that place, and I have given as this and special in computing, and the qualification BSc Hans in computing. Once I press choose file, I can select any pic. Okay, I have give this image as her profile pic. Yeah, it's added. Once I press submit, all details insert into the DB, as you can see here. The Mary Peterson presenter, research and technology. Yes, these are the details the the main administrator, super administrator can use from his functionality. Thank you for watching this administrator portal. In the next video I would like to explain the organizer portal. Thank you very much for watching.